Canada has lost its measles elimination status thanks to outbreaks of the disease that have lasted more than a year, including here in Alberta. The Pan American Health Organization, which made the ruling, says losing the status is a setback, but it is reversible. CTV's Jeremy Thompson joins us in studio this evening. So, Jer, Canada was previously measles-free for nearly 3 decades before this.
Yeah, it was, Matt, and the measles vaccine is effective and has been widely available in Canada since the 60s. That's why one infectious diseases specialist I spoke with believes these measles outbreaks represent a communications failure by government.
Policy hasn't really changed. Governments haven't really changed, but the messaging has. And for the last 10 years, the messaging of the negatives of vaccination have drowned out those about the positive.
In the last 12 months, Canada has recorded more than 5,000 measles cases, with transmission happening mostly among certain communities with low vaccination rates. To be considered measles-free, a country must stop the spread of the virus with no local transmission for at least 1 year. The press secretary for Health Minister Adrienne LaGrange says the province is promoting vaccination and has seen a marked increase in uptake, especially in the north and south health zones where the bulk of Alberta's roughly 2,000 cases have been registered. Madison McKee says there are currently 2 active cases in Alberta, a number that has remained stable for several weeks. There are 2 patients in hospital, and there have not been more than 5 at any time. Canada's Public Health Agency says that is good news.
Everything's pointing in the right direction. Unfortunately, we couldn't stop the outbreak completely in time to lose our elimination status. But the direction of travel is that we will get it back.
The Public Health Agency says regaining Canada's elimination status for measles will take work. Once people with active cases recover, Canada must closely monitor the situation to prove the disease isn't circulating. It must also demonstrate we have sufficient overall vaccination rates to achieve herd immunity. That's around 95%. Now, losing the status doesn't come with any penalties for Canadians, but the doctors and infectious disease specialists CTV spoke with say it's disappointing, even embarrassing for Canada, given how safe and accessible the measles vaccine is. Matt?
All right, CTV's Jeremy Thompson live in studio tonight. Thank you.